How do automotive manufacturers ensure that every vehicle rolling off the assembly line meets the highest safety and quality standards? The answer lies in a rigorous process known as the Production Part Approval Process, or PPAP, which is a critical component of the IATF 16949 Quality Management System. Scene Script. Dive into the world of PPAP, a structured approach used by companies in the automotive industry to demonstrate product compliance with customer requirements. The heart of PPAP lies in its ability to standardize the approval process for parts and components, ensuring that all parts meet or exceed the desired quality standards before full-scale production begins. One of the key components of PPAP includes the submission of various documents that provide evidence of compliance. These documents can range from design records and authorized engineering change documentation to process flow diagrams, measurement system analysis studies, and control plans. Each element serves as a checkpoint that guarantees every aspect of the production process is scrutinized for quality and efficiency. Moreover, integrating PPAP within IATF 16949 requirements elevates its effectiveness. IATF 16949, a global standard that outlines the requirements of a quality management system for organizations in the automotive industry, emphasizes defect prevention and the reduction of variation and waste in the supply chain. PPAP plays a pivotal role here by aligning with these goals, ensuring that parts approval does not only comply with technical specifications, but also contributes to overall process optimization and waste minimization. To summarize, the production part approval process is not just about checking a box, it's about embedding quality deep into the DNA of automotive manufacturing. By adhering to the structures of PPAP and integrating them within the broader framework of IATF 16949, manufacturers not only meet, but often exceed the rigorous standards of the automotive industry. This commitment to quality ensures reliability, safety, and satisfaction for end users around the globe, reinforcing the critical role of PPAP in achieving excellence in automotive manufacturing.